What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We're having a party today. We've reached 500 subscribers, 505 as of this recording. Apparently, there are 505 people out there that like to watch me fiddle with plastic bits. I'm just blown away, absolutely blown away by this. And a huge thank you to everybody that's come along with me on this journey. That's subscribed and watched and liked and commented. I really do like the comments. I really appreciate them. I try to respond to as many of them as I can. I read each and every one of them, and at the very least, I'll at least give you a like or a like and a heart or a comment if I can. I just huge shout out. Thanks to everybody that's come along for this journey. It started October 26, 2020. I posted, I populated the channel with 11 videos. Some stuff that I'd made quite some time ago, some just goofy nonsense. Not a lot of it really model related, just stuff to again, just to get the channel populated. Picked up a couple of views here and there, and as I look in the YouTube channel analytics, oh, what a rabbit hole this is. Just so much information. I can track views. There's just so many metrics, but we'll look at specifically the views and user subscribers. So first off, between October and you can see October and March, that, there was this steady growth. I tried to post as often as I could, every, week, every couple days. Nothing really consistent. I really didn't know what I was trying to do, where I was going with this. I had no idea where this channel was going. It was just something for me to do. I spent a lot of time working in media. I worked as a video editor and a newsroom camera operator in live broadcast news. And this is just kind of second nature for me, this video camera stuff. I just do it for fun. So I kind of incorporated that with the modeling, and it's taken off. You can see there's been a steady growth, kind of a little bit of a drop off. A lot of that correlates with things that were happening in my life at the time. Those of you that know me on a little bit more of a personal level know what was going on between, May and end of July, and then we saw a boost here, a big rocket, the middle of August into towards the beginning of the holiday season, and a lot of that was just me starting to pump out videos on a regular basis. I started doing them, at least once a week, if not once a day. I had a little series here where it was the Momo modeler. I was living out of a Motel 6, and I was still doing what I could to produce. I'd go to Hobby Lobby and get the 40% off and get a kit and do an unboxing and then a video of the build, and, still keeping the channel going. And when I moved out of the motel and back to, back to my temporary spot, I continue to do it, and it helped me to stay focused and helped me stay sane. And that's a lot of where my big thanks and gratitude comes from. You guys watching this channel and continually commenting and liking and subscribing has given me motivation to keep going, keep doing it. It kept me busy, gave my mind and my hands something to do, and I cannot thank you enough. You can see we had one person leave. I suspect who that might be. But as you can see, this is by subscribers. It's been a steady growth over. Let's change it to the yearly. You can see it's just going up and up and up. And I mean, my impression click-through rate is rocketing. The views, the subscribers, all of it. I'm now halfway to being able to monetize this channel. It blows my mind. And it was never a goal. It was never anything that I set out to do. I just did it because it's something fun for me to do. Wow, you mean I might actually be able to get paid for this? For fiddling with plastic bits? Wow. I mean, there's some guys on YouTube it is actually a job for them. And so I've searched on Google. I tried a couple different keywords, and I even 20 pages in and none of my videos popped up. Same with YouTube itself. I tried a couple different keywords to see, and it took me a long time going down looking through videos, and none of them were my suggestions. So I don't know how to make that, how to get it out there more other than just asking for likes and subscribes. I don't know. Anybody has any tips or tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments. Again, I read each and every one of them. I really do appreciate it. So we're going to back away from the computer here and give you a quick tour of the shop, the studio, my creative space, and then wrap this thing up. But I just wanted to give a huge, huge, huge thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for coming along on this journey. I cannot express how grateful I am for it. So let's do the tour. I'll be your damn tour guide for the damn tour. Movie reference. Watch movie. Okay, first off, I'm going to do a quick pan of my stash that I can't even get the camera in there. I've reached hoarding level. I have multiples of the same kit. Not proud of it. These all will be built. Each and every one of these is going to come out of its box and get built sooner or later. I've kind of vowed to stop buying kits for a while. Yeah, right. And focus on creating them. And then my paint section, my pretties, my booth, a little diorama that I made. And then the workbench, just little stuff that I've picked up here and there, Goodwill and garage sales. And probably going to jump into that one next. My camera setup. There's a camera above the down-facing A camera and the B camera that I used to show the close-ups. We got some changes coming in that department too. And then my edit station. That's where the video magic happens. My little photo booth that I made. I also made that lamp, slideshows. Slides, I should say. And that's about it for the grand studio tour. Pretty stoked on this space. Really stoked on this space. It's completely separate from the rest of my place. I come in here and do things, leave them where they are, walk away, and come back. And come back we will. This is going to be the next build that I'm going to get into. This kit has intimidated me since before I bought it. I remember when I saw it on the shelf at Hobby Lobby, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the size of this thing. It's huge. And it's a level 5. Oh no, scary. But I've come to realize that all that means is a high part count. And the windows are the part that scare me the most. I'll do it. I'll get it done. And a lot of times my build process is involved in what color I see. What a kit does to me when I see it and it jumps out at me and says, ooh, that one looks cool purple. I think I have some purple. And same with this one. I have some Model Masters, a couple specific colors. I'm going to go for that two-tone look. Older Land Rover, a used one, actually driven. And I may or may not do an unboxing for it, but that is for sure going to be the next build. That you know what? I'm gonna go against what I said, and I'll try and do a time-lapse sequence build thing of it for you guys, just because I know some people have actually said that they like doing it or like seeing it. So, give the people what they want. I'll try. No promises, but we'll try. We'll get something put together. We'll get it on the edit cooker, and go from there. Again, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for tuning in, being a subscriber. I really, really do appreciate it. And, it keeps me motivated to keep doing more. See you soon.